All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP family. Some breaking news coming out right now that I want to share with you guys. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And, due to this specific announcement, you're looking at the price of XRP actually moving. But starting off Tuesday, yet again, we're seeing quite a bit of red across the board. Double digits in terms of, the retracement for multiple different projects. But, XRP is picking up steam right now, and I will share exactly why that's the case. So if you're looking at the markets right now, especially over the last 1 hour, you are seeing the market going into the green. XRP up 5.7% with the price. If you were to give it a refresh live right now, price is currently sitting at, it's not a refresh on CoinGecko, but when I pull out the charts, it's around $2.17. But we're down about 10.8% in USD comparative. We're also down 9.6% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at $121.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is literally sky high, sitting at about 30 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So Brad Garlinghouse, literally 10 minutes back, has posted this. This just in, we have final approval from NYDFS for RLUSD. Exchange and partner listings will be live soon. And a reminder, when RLUSD is live, you'll hear it from Ripple first. So now the fact that, they got the approval, it's a regulatory approval. Let that sink in. And of course, 2-3 days back, we did hear Coinbase to delist the likes of non-compliant stablecoins such as USDT. And of course, if USDT were ever to collapse, I've said to you guys before thousands of times, we do have a major setback for the crypto industry. But also we got to realize people are looking at it from a completely different standpoint. That hold on, regulation is coming towards crypto. You're seeing a lot of mess being cleared up, and people are actually not as hesitant anymore. But I think, timing is perfect, right? RLUSD launching before, Coinbase delist USDT in European Union, which of course I think is going to be huge. But let me know down below what you guys think about this. But also, there's going to be a lot of scams due to this fact. So wait till Ripple officially announces, when it goes live on these exchanges. Don't just fall for, someone commenting down below saying, yeah, you could purchase RLUSD here, or never click any of the links, guys. I cannot stress this enough. Wait till Ripple announces this themselves. But huge milestone, and this will have a major impact for XRP as well, and XRPL Ledger. And I think, people, especially, I wouldn't even say, retail, I would say major institutions will feel more comfortable, buying RLUSD in terms of stablecoin and using that as an exchange rather than, buying the like of USDT, which, of course, there's a lot of red flags for it. But let's take a look at what's happening with the price right now. If you're looking at the price, obviously dominance is still sitting at about 57.19%. If you're looking at Bitcoin, guys, I'll show you something very interesting with Bitcoin that's happening. So the Bitcoin yet again made its way down to $94,397. We do have some support around that range, and as of now, that support is really coming in, handy. But we did see a little bit of an uptick, currently sitting at $96,000. You guys know $96,000 is a very important level for myself. If the price of Bitcoin is able to remain above 96, totally fine. But even if it were to, go down to the likes of 90,000, which I still believe there is a chance, because look what happened back on December 5th. What makes us think that, we can't see a wick all the way down to that? Maybe possibly even down to the $88,340 could be in play to shake out, the markets once again to the weak hands. And you don't want to be the weak hands again. Let this be a learning lesson. If you've done your due diligence research and have invested what you can afford to lose, then patience is your number one key to follow. Of course, stay away from leverage trading platforms, because if your leverage positions are in, moves like this, especially the one on December 5th, is a perfect example how your positions could get wiped out. And believe it or not, this happens quite a bit in the crypto space. But so far, so good for Bitcoin. Has seen quite a bit of volatility over the course of the last 3 to 4 days. Hence, you are seeing altcoins, kind of down against Bitcoin. But I think, we will see a bounce back up, once Bitcoin starts heading towards the likes of that 99,000. But pay very close attention to the dominance as well. But let's take a look at XRP. So XRP's price, actually, I want to take a look at it on the hourly time frame so you guys understand what's happening with the XRP's price on a closer time frame here. XRP, Kraken. Let's go on the hourly. Here we are. So look at this. So we actually made our way down to the support of the $1.93. We actually spoke about the potential of that yesterday because, of course, when we did see a retracement for the markets over the last few days, we pretty much bounced at the $2 price point. But of course, dominance went up and we lost this support. The price literally touched at the neckline, at the support itself. And remember, this used to be a major resistance as we were, breaking towards the upside into, the 38.2. But here, yet again, we speak about confirmation on my channel quite a bit. We test that key resistance, which we expected it to play as a massive level of support. That's exactly what happened because the price bounced back up. And speaking about timing, timing is perfect. If you picked up some XRP around that $1.91, you are up right now about 13.3%. We do have some resistance around the range where the price of XRP is currently sitting. If this is able to, break out, I think, we could actually reclaim back up to that $2.30 quite fast. So far, so good. I'm not, worried about, what XRP's price is doing. We need to look at the bigger picture rather than, the shorter time scale. And we also need to understand what Bitcoin is doing. Over the course of the last 3 days, to be specific, we are seeing more volatility than usual. But let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, major news. I think this is going to have a positive impact on the price of XRP, unless, of course, Bitcoin drops down to, $88,000. So I'm going to keep you guys covered. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.